Your beauty is hypnotic. You are beautiful both inside and outwardly. Even if you're very quiet, your beauty radiates very strongly outwardly. You are very fun, charismatic, magnetic, playful, light-hearted. Many people want to invest in you, whether that is in regards to a friendship or a romantic relationship. You are a good time. You are cheerful, high vibrational, bubbly. You speak truth. You are very balanced. You are well mannered. And you are physically attractive. You are very poised, very graceful, highly intelligent and articulate. You are a lot of people's wish fulfillment, wish come true. You may have a lot of admirers. A lot of people are vying for your attention. You could come from a different cultural background than the environment that you belong to, but you don't see how amazing you truly are. You could feel as if you're different, and your difference is what makes you actually stand out. Your difference is the very thing that makes you very beautiful. You march to the beat of your own drum. For some of you, I feel like you've embraced your difference. And if you haven't, Spirit is saying to embrace your difference. You are eccentric. You are original. You could have your own style. And many people want to learn from you. Again, many people want to date you. If you are in a relationship, your partner is falling even more deeply in love with you. People feel like they have met you before. People feel very comfortable to share their emotions with you. People feel as if you are safe to talk about heavy topics with. You are non-judgmental. People find you to be very soothing, very healing. And you may have walked away from a lot of people and places that do not serve you. And these individuals or these environments are very toxic. And when you are around these people or environments, they may have made you feel less than, and they may not have appreciated you. Now that you've walked away, they feel stuck on your energy. These people are obsessed with you. And these people want to have another cycle with you. But Spirit says no. I feel like you are a person that is very traditional, and you like to do the right thing. And you have a lot of morals. You are a hard worker. Your work ethic is unmatched. You're not a person to jump into situations without thinking things through. And even if you feel like you had to wait a long time to gain success, you don't mind waiting. You're not into taking shortcuts. You are the type of person to put in the work, because you know eventually you will reap the rewards that you actually desire and deserve. And this is very attractive. You radiate so much love. I'm hearing you are love. You are the embodiment of love. And many people may have tried to smear your name or put you down or judge you. But Spirit is saying that some of these individuals are actually jealous of you. And you are the catalyst for change for a lot of people, because some people were just used to a certain way of being or being around certain people. But when you came into the environment, whatever that environment is, you shifted their views in regards to how beauty is to others. You know, some people may have had a view about, oh, I will only date this type of person, or, you know, if you're beautiful, you have to look this specific way. If you're handsome, you have to look this specific way. You know, if you're beautiful, you have to be this size. But you have defied all assumptions. You know, a lot of people are even looking at themselves, and it's almost as if they cannot understand why they are drawn to you, in a sense, because your beauty is otherworldly, and it's making them question who they've dated before, who they have befriended before. For some of you, it's making you make people actually question their actual family members, because some people feel so safe around you, comforted around you, close to you, as if you were family, and you treat some people better than their own family does. When people get into a relationship with you, people realize that they've never been loved the way that you love. You don't do things half-heartedly. You are a person that judges people based on their personality and how they treat you, as opposed to the way that they look. You teach others the same. You have a lot of values. You are the type of person that transforms your life over and over again. And when you do get into connections with people, you bring on transformation. You are very successful. You are very victorious. You are celebrated. A lot of people admire you. A lot of people look up to you. You have people that have actually fallen in love with you, whether they'll tell you this or not. For some of you, they've told you this already because you're in a relationship with them. And I feel like to date someone like you, to be with someone like you, you have to be a high vibrational soul. You have to be in touch with your emotions. You have to be authentic. You have to be open, because you are nothing less than that. You are a beautiful soul, both inside and outwardly. You are very rare, and it is actually a pleasure to be within your vicinity.